Moot Court gave me the opportunity to speak in front of a variety of skilled individuals such as judges, attorneys, professors, and it honestly just gave me the opportunity to demonstrate what I came to law school for. The connections I made with judges and attorneys will carry far beyond this competition, and being able to showcase my abilities and also take their feedback was something that I'll never forget.
The thing that was unique about this brief writing process and the Moot Court competition and kind of how it brought us all together is the old saying that it takes a village to raise a kid. I think competition is a really great thing in the law school, and that competition evoked a really fun energy in the law school that I thought was productive in its nature. And we're in a competition amongst our friends and our classmates, and we all want to do well, and we all want to help each other do well.